Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Be a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is divine light. You are the lighthouse. You are the torch that is leading everyone to prosperity. So don't be a tornado, be a calm wind and go with the flow, because so many people are watching you and they feel as though you are in charge. You may not feel comfortable like you're in control, but when you're not in control, that's when you're in full control. I am the expression of love and I shine like the sun. Do your thing. Don't worry. My inner light is strength and my treasure and my gifts. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness in who I am and what I can provide to the world, and they're grateful for it. And so am I. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.